morning I went to Amlapura, and this is on a way to Amlapura. It's at the moment it's a rice harvest here in Tirtha Ganga area. And I just decided to stop and take some videos from this place. Not bad, right? I love Bali because it's the landscape and the things you can see is actually all around you. You can see so many different things. This particular area I've been talking about previously in my episodes. Actually, I have a plan to a little bit drive around this place because there's a lot of this like valleys where there's a lot of rice terraces no one really knows about. Like for example, down there, just probably like 200 meters is a Tirtha Ganga, but I'm absolutely sure no one actually comes up here, and this is really not touristic place. It's just people just living their lives, and yeah. And what is also great, because I came up here and of course I'm a stranger, but they were so nice and hospitable to me, allow me to film. Of course I asked the permission, but that's the real Bali soul, right? So it's like they are really kind to the people. Ladies at work, working hard. And it's actually all these fields is also for the cooperatives. It's not only private fields. Let's say the village has some field, they're harvesting together, and then they divide the rice between the families. Yeah, working really hard. There was one of those days when nothing really happened, and I almost ended up a day without going to the ocean. And it's actually really interesting that sometimes you're living next to the ocean and you even don't see the ocean for a week or 2 weeks. You're just 100 meters away from it, but you are too lazy to go to it. At the same time, people are dreaming about going to the ocean, doing diving and that stuff, but we are living next to it, and that sometimes happens. Fishing ikan, tidak? happy I made to the ocean today. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.